Cucumber snack. Take a jar and add handful of mint leaves. Add handful of coriander leaves and 2 green chilies. Add salt as per taste. Close lid and grind. Green chutney is ready. Keep aside. Take cucumbers and cut from sides. Apply salt to sides and rub nicely. Cut from middle. Cut into 2 pieces and remove seeds. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of boiled chana. Add cucumber seeds. Add 1 finely chopped tomato. Add 1 finely chopped onion. Add 2 tsbs of prepared green chutney. Add 1 tsb of black salt. Add 1 tsb of red chili powder, 1 tsp of chaat masala, 1 tsp of coriander, powder salt to taste, and 1 tsp of cumin powder. Add some chopped coriander leaves. Mix all ingredients nicely with boiled chana. Chana mixture is ready. Place cucumber pieces in a tray. Fill chana mixture in cucumber pieces. Garnish with seb. Some chopped coriander leaves on top. Tasty and yummy cucumber snack is ready to serve. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook. Thanks for watching.